तेका लागून ते कितें करता बिंदास करता. अरे आमकां लावार येतो तो म्हाका सोडयतलो. इवन तूं जेलीन सुद्दां वच बिंदास तो वचपाक रेडी कित्याक तांकां थंय VIP ट्रिटमेंट मेळटा. जस्टीस कोणे रेप केला मर्डर केला तांकां सोमतें हँग करपाचें. तांकां एक असली पनिशमेंट दिवपाक जाय की दुसरे तो मनीस दिसतो करपाक शकता हे करता तेन्ना.
Government should give them such punishment. After seeing them, no one will repeat this thing. Serious punishment. Even if they see, they should get goosebumps. They should never, 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 never do these things again in their life.
आमच्या सगळ्या भुरग्यांक सांबाळपाची जबाबदारी आमी समज घेतिल्ली आसा. तर ते पायता आसतना देशाची पळयता आसतना असल्या लोकांक ह्या जगान रावपाचो खंयच तांकां हक्क ना. दिस टायप ऑफ पीपल डू नॉट डिजर्व to be alive in this type of a country where we talk about high moral values, where we talk about everybody living in harmony. And ताज्या खातीर ही जी आज सुरवात जाल्ल्या I am sure as it has taken across in different parts of the country, गोंया सारकेले example will set a lot of things ahead. I would also ask Carol and the team to move a pledge ahead, move a letter ahead, asking the laws of the land to be changed, because here central laws जे असता which give maybe a punishment which is not a compromise punishment, a punishment which allows to set an example for the rest for do not take this type of things. आम्ही म्हाका दिसता हांगाच्यान ही सुरवात जावपाक जाय to ensure real justice for girls like Asifa.
We want justice. We want justice. We want justice. We want justice. एक दो बीजेपी को फेंक दो. एक दो बीजेपी को फेंक दो. गोवा प्रदेश महिला काँग्रेसान आयोजीत केल्लो वो ब्लॅक डे कित्याक केल्लो आसा तें आयज गोंयांतूच न्ही देशभर लोकांक कळटलें खबर आसतलें. वायट दिसता आयज आमची कंट्री जे वर्ल्ड मॅपार आसा टुडे these people have shamed the nation. And when I say this, I would like to say that we condemn BJP Prime Minister and its ministers and the leaders throughout the country. Actually, I have to say that Modi should actually morally resign. आमचो सरकार आशिल्लो तेन्ना निर्भया रेप केस जाल्ली, दिल्ली इतलो बोवाळ जाल्लो, पूण आमच्या सोनिया गांधी आनी मनमोहन सिंगान रोखडेच न्याय दिलो आनी तांकां हँग केलें. I don't know why is Narendra Modi, why is UP CM Yogi Adityanath, why they are trying to safeguard their leaders, hang the guilty.